The global defense landscape has just witnessed a structural shift. The recently formalized strategic partnership between India and France is not merely a diplomatic milestone, it is a fundamental reconfiguration of industrial power. By moving beyond simple procurement, both nations have committed to a deep-level integration of defense ecosystems, effectively ending the era of reliance on third-party suppliers. This agreement, a cornerstone of the broader strategic roadmap, is designed to build a foundation that is both self-sustaining and sovereign. The primary focus is clear: to ensure that the critical technologies of the 21st century, propulsion, stealth, and surveillance, are not just bought, but mastered and manufactured on domestic soil. At the heart of this deal is the most significant technological breakthrough in recent aviation history: the co-development of a 110 to 125 kilonewton thrust-class engine. This power plant is the absolute prerequisite for India's fifth-generation combat aircraft program. Unlike previous attempts at engine development that were hampered by limited technical access, this agreement guarantees full intellectual property rights sharing. Indian engineers are gaining direct access to the most guarded secrets in aerospace: the metallurgy of single-crystal turbine blades, advanced thermal management architectures, and high-pressure core designs. These are technologies that have been held behind a wall of secrecy by a global elite for decades. By integrating these processes into a domestic ecosystem, this partnership bypasses the traditional gatekeepers, allowing for the iterative design and manufacturing of propulsion systems tailored specifically for high-altitude and low-signature stealth operations.
The agreement's impact extends deep beneath the ocean's surface. A critical pillar of this cooperation is the transfer and joint development of advanced air-independent propulsion systems. Conventional submarines are inherently limited by the need to surface for air, which compromises their stealth. By integrating French-origin advanced fuel cell and hydrogen-based propulsion architectures into conventional hulls, the Indian Navy is gaining the ability to remain submerged for weeks at a time. This is not just a tactical upgrade, it is a fundamental shift in regional maritime equilibrium, granting the capability for prolonged, undetected surveillance and strike operations in contested waters. In an era defined by algorithmic warfare, data is the most lethal asset. The agreement establishes a shared, secure infrastructure for space-based surveillance and maritime domain awareness. By synchronizing orbital assets and leveraging French expertise in high-resolution thermal and synthetic aperture radar imaging, India is constructing an unblinking eye over its strategic frontiers. This is not only about observation, it is about the integration of these satellite feeds into a sovereign command and control backbone. By co-developing the ground stations and the AI-driven analytics that process this volume of data, the partnership ensures that the information flowing to military commanders remains secure and independent from any foreign influence. This is the new architecture of strategic autonomy. The partnership creates a localized industrial pipeline, from raw material processing to final systems integration, that will support India's defense needs for the next 30 years. By aligning engineering excellence with national industrial ambition, the focus has shifted from the transactional to the foundational. As these programs move from the drawing board into the manufacturing hangars, the trajectory of India's defense capability is no longer reactive. It is fully in its own hands. This is the new edge of intelligence, a future built on shared technology, sovereign capability, and the absolute power to produce.